Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we're going to be working on issue 7 of Build Your Own Terminator. So, let's get modelling. Right, so let's get started. So, the first two pieces we need to bring over are these two pieces here. Show on a close-up camera, so you've got this detail here. And then you've got one of these details here, like so. And all we're going to be simply doing is we're just going to be gluing this piece onto this piece here. So let me get some glue ready. Get some glue into the pot. And then let's get some glue on this little black part here. So that's one spot. That's two. That's three. And that's four. And we're just going to simply flip this over and pop it into place like so. That's now in place like that. So the next part is we need to bring over this part that we've made in a previous issue, and we're simply just going to be gluing this thing part here onto this part here. So I need to get some more glue. Load it up. It actually in the magazine does tell you where to glue the areas, so that's always handy to have. And then it just wants us to bob some glue around the inside of this part here. I've just realised I've just put my cocktail stick in some 3-in-1 oil by mistake instead of glue. So today is Sunday, we're having a nice relaxing day in my house. My wife's currently recording her video for today, her Sunday whip and chat as she calls it. And she just basically talks about the week and what she's done. So yeah, very good channel to walk out. Her thing in life is she loves to diamond paint. That's her hobby. I don't diamond paint because that's her hobby and I enjoy my model making. So, okay, so we've done that. Put some glue on there now. And we'll just bring this part over and we just slot it into place like so. I'm just going to hold that down for a few seconds just while the glue takes hold. And there we have it. Right, now it is a bit loose on this side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a clamp and I'm just going to clamp these parts down while the glue sets. So I'll put a clamp there. Let's get another clamp. These clamps I actually got from a pound shop. Put a clamp there, put another clamp, and let's just put a clamp on that, and that's just going to hold that in place like so. Okay, so the next parts we need to bring over is this part here and this part here. As you can see, this part, and then we have this part as well. Looking very nice. Okay, back to build camera. And what we need to do is we need to get this part here and this part here, and we're simply just going to slot it on like so. And then this wants to be held in place with 2 screws that they have given us. So I'll get the first screw on, load it up like so. So just making sure that goes in nice. Next screw loaded up on the screwdriver. There we go. This isn't metal, by the way, this is plastic that I'm screwing down. And that is what that part looks like when finished. So we'll put that to one side, because the next step is to bring this part and this part across, if I can grab hold of it. Okay, I'll show you what them look like on the close-up camera. You've got this sort of little part here, and you've got this little part here. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to screw these together. Now, the way we need to screw them together is basically we're going to be screwing them like that. I don't know if you can see that. Pointing downwards, not that way. It needs to be that way. If you notice, the two notches on here are further down than they are, so they're not actually in the middle. Okay, and we just need 2 screws for that, so let me get 2 screws ready. Now hopefully not too fiddly, line that screw up. So I'm not going to push that all the way in because I want to get the next one in, and then I'll fully tighten up screws for today. But just shaky hands this morning. Oh, not this morning actually, it's this afternoon. This morning we've had bath, showers, had Sunday dinner. I made a spaghetti bolognese with some really nice baguette bread, and then we had a nice cornetto ice cream for dessert, so it's been quite a nice dinner. It's absolutely cracking flags here. It is a bit cloudy today, but it wasn't as warm. It's not as warm as yesterday. Yesterday was terrible. Okay, so that's now been done. Okay, and that is really it for today's issue. There is nothing really left to do. I am going to keep these clamps in place just for a while, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, just making sure that that piece does stick down to the part. And yeah, that's it for today. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I am quite mindful, we're actually collecting quite a few parts now for this Terminator. So I will be glad when they all start going together, because I put all my spare parts, or the parts I build, into a drawer, and basically that drawer's starting to get a bit full now with all the parts, but I'm probably sure enough that sooner or later that everything will start to go together for this build. So, but if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button, and you'll also be notified of when any of my future videos go up. But as for now guys, thanks for watching, bye.